Hi, today I will share with you the tips for getting ideas for isometric drawing. Okay, this is just for example, and I'm looking for a bedroom vanity. There are a lot of ideas on the internet. The floating vanity has a nice modern look. You can find forces in all different ideas or designs. And simply mixing the designs, and this is my result. I'm going to show you how to draw it. Create a new layer and set it to drawing axis and start to draw a cabinet. Just draw like a box. I'm going to draw mirrors. It will be a double mirror and double sink. And I'm sorry about my phone, it did not record the forces. So I will start to show you how to draw an open or close tab. You can probably get the idea how I drew the forces. Done.